Hello students and welcome to the video. Today I will be taking retirement of partner 12th standard. First exam problem will be solving. So let's get started. First illustration. Given below is the balance sheet of Raja Rani Pradhan, who were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. As on the balance sheet is 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet is given over here, and adjustments will move towards adjustments. On 1st April 2018, Pradhan retired on the following terms. Okay, these were the condition adjustments. So what we'll do, whatever adjustments are there, so we'll put a star mark on this balance sheet given, so that while solving we can leave one line for the calculations and all. So let's get started. Second one, stock to be reduced by 10%, furniture by 5% and machinery by 11%. So I have already put star mark, stock, machinery and furniture. Okay, and RDD to be maintained at 5% on debtors. So creditors on debtors I have put star mark, you also can put it, and rupees 200 to be written off from creditors. Creditors I have put star mark, and out of the amount due to Pradhan, rupees 5000 to be paid by cash. So cash will be putting a star mark. Okay, so let's get started. You will have to prepare some accounts. What they have said, prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, balance sheet of new firm. So I have already prepared in the books of partnership profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, debit side, credit side, then partners capital account and balance sheet, and over here working note will be done. Okay, so first we will be posting all the given balance sheet things. So creditors will go in balance sheet liability side. So let us post, will come down balance sheet creditors, it's 11,200. So adjustment is there, star mark we have done. So 11,200, and we'll be leaving one line over here. Okay, in the inner column I have written. Then next is bank overdraft, it will be coming in liability side. Bank bank overdraft, it is 9,700. I'm sorry, I will be leaving this and I will be posting over here. Okay, it is 9,700. Okay, then next is reserve funds, isn't it? Let's go up and see. Next is reserve fund. Now reserve fund we will have to post it in partners capital account. Here is the partners capital account. We will be leaving one line, and over here we will be writing by reserve fund account, and we will have to do a calculation. How much is the reserve fund? It is shown 15,000. So we will have to distribute it among all the partners. So over here what we will be doing, reserve fund. Okay, how much it is? 15,000. So 15,000 it is given. So for and the ratio given to us is 5:3:2. So we'll be calculating Raja share is 5, isn't it? So Raja 15 1000 into multiplied by 5 divided by how much? 5 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 10. Okay, that gives 7500. Then we'll be calculating Rani. Rani says 15,000, and how much her share is? 3. It's going to be divided by 10. How we got this 10? We'll be adding all the shares of all partners, and that gives 4500. And Pradhan will be calculating 15,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 10, that gives 3000. Okay, so we'll be going up again and writing all the amount which we have calculated over here. So reserve, this one is 7500 we got. Rani we got as 4500, and Pradhan we got 3000. Okay, so now next is capital. Capital they have given this Raja, Rani and Pradhan. Okay, this amount they have given. So we'll be posting these amounts at partners capital account by balance brought down. They have given 42,000 Raja, Rani is 37,000 and Pradhan is 33,200. Okay, so liability side we have posted all. Now we will be moving towards asset side. Cash is how much? 7,600. So that will be going into asset side. Now adjustment is there, so we'll be leaving some space for it. We'll be writing inner side. Okay, it is how much? 7,600. 7,600. I will be then next is debtors. $18,000, that will be going into asset side. How much it is? Debtors is 18,000, so I will be writing 18,000 and will be leaving one line over here. Okay, is it possible? Debtors we have put 1800. Then after debtors we have stock. Stock is 17,500. Stock is 17,500. Then next is machinery. We have adjustment, we'll have to write in the inner column. 30,000, it goes into asset side. Okay, we'll leave one line for stock. We'll writing machinery. How much it is? 30,000. After that we have land, 70,000. Outer side will be writing because no adjustment is there. After land there is furniture. furniture is 5000, adjustment is there, so we'll be writing 5000 in a side. Okay, now all the we have placed all the postings all have been done of this balance sheet. Now we'll be moving towards adjustments. On 1st April 2018, Pradhan retired on the following terms. Okay, goodwill of the firm will be raised in the books at 20,000. It will be raised for 20,000. So what we'll be doing? Will be writing it at the partners capital account. By goodwill, will be distributing it among between all the three partners at the ratio 5:3:2. So how much is the goodwill? Goodwill is 20,000. So 20 will calculate over here. Goodwill, how much it is? 20,000. So Raja, Rani, okay, going back, 20,000 into 5 divided by 10. So that gives 10,000. Okay, then Rani, how much it is? 20,000 multiplied it by sorry, not 5, 3 divided by 10, that gives 6,000. And Pradhan, 20, his share is 2 divided by 10, that gives 4,000. Okay, so we'll be writing all the amount over here. 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Okay, next adjustment by goodwill. Okay, and the other entry of this goodwill is going to be in the adjustments have two effects. Okay, so goodwill go in cash asset side, outer column 20,000. So two postings have two side posting has been done. Now this stock to be reduced by 10%, furniture by 5% and machinery by 11%. It means it is depreciating. So over here stock less depreciation, how much? Stock is depreciated by 10%. Okay, so 10% of this gives what? How much? Calculate 1750. Only the last 0 will be reducing, and the amount comes is 15,750. This amount, this much we get. Machinery is depreciated by 11%. So minus depreciation, how much? 11%. That gives 3,300. And the amount we get outside is 26,700. Okay, and what more is there? furniture by 5%. So furniture, we should have written goodwill over here. Okay. Now furniture is to be depreciated by 5%. So less depreciation 5%. So how much it is? 250. Okay, and in the outside column we get 4750. So now RDD to be maintained at 5% on debtors. So debtors will go back, debtors minus RDD. Okay, how much? RDD 5%. 5%, that comes to 900, and the outer column we get 17 comma. Okay, so next adjustment, and all these adjustments will be having second effect of these adjustments will be coming over here. We will be posting all the calculated stock. How much we got? 1750. Then 2 furniture, it was 250. We have to put account also. Okay, A/C account, and 2 RBDD. That is $900. See, all these depreciation, furniture, machinery, stock, debtors, all these will coming over here. Stock, furniture and machinery will we have to write to machinery account. Second effect is also given. Okay, to stock, furniture, stock is given, furniture is done, machinery is done, RDD is done. Now rupees 200 to be written off from creditors over here. Rupees 200 to be written off from creditors. So creditors less or minus written off how much? 200. So that gives 11,000, and the second effect of this will go second effect of this will be writing over here by creditors account 200. Okay, now Out of the amount due to Pradhan, rupees 5,000 to be paid by cash and remaining amount to be transferred to his loan account. Okay, so now what we will be doing, first we will close this account, okay, profit and loss adjustment account. So what we get, the debit side is more than credit side, isn't it? So obviously it is loss. So the total we get is 6,200 and 6,200 will minus 200 from this, and it will be distributed amongst partner. Let it be loss, PERD, partners capital account loss, Raja Rani Pradhan. We will distribute it amongst their share. This is 5 share. Her share is how much? 3, and Pradhan share is how much? Pradhan share is 2. 5:3:2. So how much it comes? This was just to show you the ratios. So we'll be distributing it among the difference 6,000. Okay, this is 6,000. So difference will be distributing it amongst Raja Rani, and that comes to 3,000. Then Rani gets loss of 1,800 and Pradhan gets loss of 1,200. Okay, now this 6,000 will be transferring it over here as to profit and loss adjustment account, and in bracket will be writing loss. Okay, and how much we got? 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. So 3,000, 1,800 and Pradhan got 200. Now what was the last adjustment? Out of the amount due to Pradhan, rupees 5,000 to be paid by cash and remaining amount to be transferred to his loan account. So 5,000 is paid cash. Okay, so one entry will be doing over here. We have paid 5,000, so to cash we have paid it to Pradhan. How much? 5,000. So 5,000 will be writing, and this 5,000 will go over here. Okay, over here 5,000 is paid, so minus 5,000, and that amount we get as 2,600 in the outer column, and rest how much amount? And remaining amount to be transferred to his loan account means whatever the difference will be, it will be going in loan account, means will be paying will convert it into, like we have taken loan from Pradhan, it is going to be liability, isn't it? So what we'll be doing, will close Pradhan's account. So this gives 40,200, 40,200, that if you will calculate the total, it gives 40,200, and the difference 40,200 minus 1200 and 5,000, that gives 34,000. Okay, so this is known as 2 Pradhan's loan account. And this will be going into liability because we have to pay him, isn't it? So how much it is? 34,000 Pradhan's loan account. $34,000, and here now we'll be closing off the other two accounts. Okay, so this gives how much? We'll add this Rani, it gives 47,500. we'll be writing over here 47,500, and the difference is going to be to balance carried down. The difference it comes as, will be minusing 47,500 and 1,800, so that gives 45,700. and Raja total is 59,500. So 59,500 will minus 59,500, 3,000 from 59,500, so that gives 56,500, and we'll be transferring this over here. Okay, liabilities as partners capital account. Raja, Rani. So Raja is how much? We got 56,500, and Rani is how much? Okay, we can write it outside also. And Rani is 45,700. So now let's see whether we get on. Now let us see whether it tallies or not. So the total we get is over here 1,56,900, and over here also 1,56,900 total. So it will tally obviously. If you have any problem, any confusion, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So this was the first illustration. I will be taking second illustration in my next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Channel. After all, it's free, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.